Hey guys, what's happening? How to make someone an admin on Telegram. So go ahead and open up your Telegram. Alright? And then what you're gonna do, go ahead to your channel, right? Or to your group. Click the title of the group at the top. And then go to the administrators. And then go ahead and add an admin. Okay? And then just go ahead and add the name of that admin. Right? Let's say, for example, this person. And then what you're gonna do, just go ahead and turn on add new admin. So now the new admin will be able to add new admins with equal or fewer rights. So hit done at the top, and basically that's it. Let's turn on the comment if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload.